Software Spring. Presence. How to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets for data validation. Hello and welcome to this video on how to create a drop-down list for data validation. I will open this sample spreadsheet titled Drop-down List. What is a drop-down list? A drop-down list is a way to validate data input. Alright, I have input this data, which will be the criteria range for validating data input. Let's make cell A1 to A10 as the data input range. Cell A1 is already selected. Shift-click cell A10. OK, now we will create the drop-down list in the data input range. First, click Data. Select Data Validation. The data input range is automatically selected, because we have highlighted cells A1 to A10. Next, we will specify the criteria range. I will move this dialog a little to the right, so we can specify the range. Click in this field. Click cell C1. Shift-click cell C5. Click OK. The criteria range is displayed. Make sure Show drop-down list in cell is checked. Click Save. The down arrows have appeared in the data input range. Click this down arrow in cell A1. There you go. The drop-down list has the items from the criteria range. Select an item from the list. Alright, let's see what happens if I try to type data not in the drop-down list. I will type, for example, platinum, in cell A2, and press enter. This red triangle indicates that data in this cell is invalid. Move the cursor over cell A2. The tooltip appears, indicating the data is invalid. You can reject the input, instead of warning. Here are the steps to reject input, when invalid data is entered. Select cell A1 to A10. Click Data, Data Validation. Click the Reject Input Radio button. Click Save. I will type iron in this cell, press enter, and see what happens. Alright, the error message has displayed. Click OK. Note that the invalid data, entered in this cell, has also been erased. How to create your own error message. As before, select cell A1 to A10. Click Data, Data Validation. Click Show Validation Help Text. Type your own message in this field. I will type, select an item from the drop-down list, or type valid data. Click Save. Again, I will type iron in this cell, and press enter. There you go. Here's the error message I created. Click OK. How to remove data validation. First, select cell A1 to A10. Click Data, Data Validation. Click Remove Validation. the data validation is removed. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.